Yes. Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon to Madam and all my fellow friends. Okay.
How do you feel standing in front? How do you feel?
May I start?
Yes.
Google search. Google search is an important tool for students. It is a one-way ticket for us to complete our assignments
Yes.
easily. Furthermore, you can also find the answer to your question just in a single click. For example, if you are searching for Justin Bieber, the page will lead you to various pictures of him that is very ugly. Dan kau tidak akan ada selera mau tengok dia. It's the same when you are searching for the most beautiful girl in the world. Simply just click that I'm feeling very lucky button and it will lead you to the most beautiful girl in the world.
I love the intro.
I know you do. Yes. She's the most beautiful girl in the world. She goes by the name Nora Sarakim. It's true because, yeah, go search for it. It's true. And then she goes by many nicknames. Asila, Asil, Sila, Nora, Sarah, Seri. And most people call her Sil. Because it's easy. Sil. Sil. Her dreams. She wants to travel to beautiful places with the guy she loves the most. And then she wants to make her parents proud and she wants to succeed in life. How she described her college life is fun. Fun because I get to meet awesome people that's sitting in front of me right now and I get to learn new stuff. And then 5 years later, the real question that she will become 5 years later, the real question is either she's dead or alive. But if she's alive, she wants to be someone who is happy and live her life to the fullest. And she will live by the rules, keep moving forward.